Welcome to my channel Venus EduTech. Some of you guys have commented that my initial videos were not clear. That's why I'm reshooting those videos. Hope you like it and do give me suggestions to improve the content of my videos. In this video, I'm going to explain the topic coding and decoding, which is the easiest one from the reasoning section for 1 or 2 marks. There are mainly 6 types of coding and decoding are asked in the examination, and in this video I'm going to explain the first type of coding and decoding. So without wasting time, let's get into the video.
This is one kind of coding and decoding. We can go to the question. In a certain code, board is written as CNBQE. How will crime be written in that code? See here, board is written as CNBQE. When you look carefully, it can be seen that the next letter of B is written here, C. Right, and the next letter of A is written here B, and the next letter of D is written here E in the first, third and the fifth letters. And considering second and fourth, the previous letter is written, that is the previous letter of O is N and the previous letter of R is Q. That means in the order of next letter, previous letter, next letter, previous letter, next letter. That is, the next letter of B is C, the previous letter of O is N, the next letter of A is B, the previous letter of R is Q, and the next letter of D is C. In a similar way, how we can write crime? First, the next letter of C, it is D, like this. Then, the previous letter of R, it is Q. Then, next letter of I, it is J. Then, the previous letter of M, it is L. And the next letter of E, it is F. So the answer is DQJLF. Going to the next question. In a certain code, domain is written as NPEOJB. How is stream written in that code? So in this case, we can divide domain into 2 parts, that is DOM and AIN. Now observe how they have written NPEOJB. We divided domain into 2 parts, DOM and AN. Consider DOM and NPE. The next letter of D, E is written here. The next letter of M, that is N, is written here. And the next letter of O, it is P, written here. Similarly, AIN and OJB, the next letter of A is written here. The next letter of N is written here, O. And the next letter of I, it is written here, that is J. Like this. Similarly, how is stream written in that code? We can divide stream into 2 parts, STR and EAM. Like this. And the next letter of S can be written under R. That is, under R it will be T. And the next letter of R, it is S. It can be written under S. And the next letter of T, it is U. It can be written directly under T. Like this. The next letter of S, it is T, written here. The next letter of R, it is S, written here. And the next letter of T, U, it is written here. Similarly, the next letters of E, A and M can be written like this. That is, the next letter of E, F is written here. The next letter of M, N is written here. And the next letter of A, B is written here. So the answer is SUTNBF. Going to the workout questions. The first question, in a certain code, healing is written as BFIKHOJ. How is bedtime written in that code? Second question, in a certain code, teamwork is written as NBFUJQNV and sum is written as PTDL. How is person written in that code? Third workout question, if girl means HJSM, what does RNES means?
I will give you the solutions in the next video and will be discussing the next type of coding and decoding. If you find my channel useful, do support me by subscribing the channel and sharing it with your friends. Also, don't forget to click on the bell icon to get the notification of my latest videos. See you in the next video. Till then, have a good day and thank you.